Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the ABC module and how to reinstall it back. And now I'll show you some of the tools that you can use for this procedure. In the workshop we usually use the small triple hex, really comfortable to pry from underneath the top tube. But likely you won't find this solution at home, so alternatives you can use a small shallow hex or a longer one, and then you would need something to pry with. Usually, again, in the workshop we use something like this with a rubber silicone end, or you can just use a flat blade screwdriver with a end taped off, not to scratch the paint. So first step, in order to remove the module, you would need to loosen the two bolts holding it from underneath the top tube. For this you need a 2mm hex. For the low step frames we used a shallow one, but likely you can get away with the one you have at home. So yeah, let's move the two bolts from underneath. They are not usually super tight, so hand force is okay. At home you can use a 3mm hex socket and a simple screwdriver. Usually try to use the soft end, not to damage the paint or the top tube from underneath. Sometimes on a shallow low step frame you need to use the flat blade. Just line up the hex with the opening of the frame, create a leverage point, and then push upwards and the module comes out, and then again up and forwards and the module is out. Once you've removed your old module, you need to make sure to clean the frame opening all the way. You can just pull away all the old silicone and then wipe up with some brake cleaner. Installing the new module, make sure the splitter cable, the thickest cable, is all the way to the right side of the top tube, and then your button and your light cable will be on the left side, so you have the best possible clearance in this area so that the openings will be fully exposed and nothing would run on top of the button. Once you start installing the new module, you need to apply silicone all around the edge so that you cover the whole perimeter, and try not to leave any openings so you get a nice consistent seal. So try to get a nice consistent seal covering the edge of the display and the ABC body, and just go like that. So the fully covered seal should look something like that. When going back together, plug the main connector first, then your light and your button cable, and start simultaneously pushing in the cable inside the top tube and pushing from the ABC. So try not to get any cables twisted up, try to go in as clean as possible. And then again the back end of the ABC first, and push from the front. And the final part, just push down and in to the top tube, like that. Now let's install back the bolts holding the ABC module. Always apply some lock thread on it. Just go together hand tight, it doesn't require a lot, like that. And same for the second one. Some lock thread and back in the frame. And now that you've successfully installed your new ABC, the final process is cleaning the remaining silicone. We use a spatula like that, but basically you can just go with wiping it off with a towel, but this gets the bigger residue off a bit faster. Wipe off all the excess silicone once it looks nice and clean. And then as a final touch, you can clean it up with some bike shine or bike work, and it leaves a nice shiny finish.